Entry number 25. Goods sold to Mohan for rupees 22,000. Now we know that purchase always has a debit balance, sales always has a credit balance. Who is the receiver of goods? Mohan is the receiver of goods. So debit Mohan's account. Mohan account debit 22,000. I will credit sales because when a sales is generated, it has to be always credited. Mohan account debit 22,000 to sales account. See, sales is generating a revenue, and when revenue increases, the account has to be credited. Now Mohan is a debtor for us because he will have to pay me money. He is not paying it right now, so Mohan is a debtor. Debtor is always an asset, so I am debiting Mohan's account. The narration will be being goods sold to Mohan, and the amount is written here 22,000. Now entry number 26. Goods returned by Mohan rupees 2,000. An important entry now. Goods returned. We have learnt that purchase has a debit balance and sales has a credit balance. So remember here that purchase, opposite of purchase is purchase return. Purchase return will have a credit balance and sales return. Sales has a credit balance, so sales return will have a debit balance, or sales return will always have to be debited. Simply saying that Mohan, from whom I had to receive 22,000, since he has returned the goods of 2,000, now only I have to receive from him is 22,000 minus 2,000, 20,000, giving effect of the 2,000 goods return. I have learnt that sales return has always to be debited. So debit the sales return account. Sales return account debited by rupees 2,000. And whom will I credit? I will credit Mohan because my asset has decreased from rupees 22,000 to 20,000. 2,000 is, he will need not pay me now because he has returned the goods of 2,000 to Mohan. $2,000 being goods returned by Mohan. Now a quick recap here. This portion is very important. Purchase account is always debited, so purchase return will always be credited. Sales account is always credited, so sales return account will always be debited. For exams, just remember these small things so that you are very fast in passing your entries. The moment you see that there is a sales return account, what you have to do is debit the sales return account and credit the party's account.